Do you want to add Snap on Instagram? You can put an Instagram snapshot with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a snap on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the bottom center or top right of the screen. Now you are on the chat list screen. Here, you will see all the recent chats and notes of your friends. To add your new snap on Instagram, tap on this icon at the right side of the screen. Now you are on the photo snap screen. Add a caption if needed and tap on the capture button at the bottom of the screen. Once you capture it, it will automatically be added as your Instagram snap. You can view your snapshot by tapping on the history icon at the bottom left of the screen.